hate it when my husband's correct, because tell me why this man doesn't read fantasy, doesn't read really any fiction, doesn't read for pleasure. And when I give him my short stories for my short story mail club that I send out every month to critique and give me feedback and edit, he always comes up with the best ideas. Well, not always, but in this specific instance, because I've started the Dark Academia installment, so I'm doing my very first Dark Academia story for my mail club, and when he read it, he was like, Tani, this last bit, I'm not really vibing it. I think that maybe you could try this, and this instead. And why do I love it so much more? Why was his idea so good? And so now it's the end of the month and I'm scrambling to write another 2,000 words and deleting 2,000 words and then fixing it all up ready for June. So I literally need to be sending this out and printing it all up and sending them to all my mail club members in like a few days. Why does he do this to me?